Musha kanjani bathini disemotweni hayi phola sinenge ngichill sisembolweni hayi. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Emotweni all the time. I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, Big Mia, Big Twanini, Big Sbewu. And before we even get onto the show, I just want to say please like, share and subscribe. Yeah boy, if you want more of this content to pull up on you. Even check us on Facebook, Emotweni all the time. Check us on Instagram, Emotweni all the time. Check us on TikTok, Emotweni all the time, because Tina is Emotweni all the time. And as I've said in the past few episodes, that bonus eventually sports so yabona singena phikasi la because sine talent because and we have to showcase it and put it on. So today I have a special guest, dog. Yabona mama ibona is number 1 lena I'm number 51 for but this is a goalkeeper for Mamba Ibone FC. Welcome to the episode. Welcome to the show. Ndizokwela mina yapha komle. But ngizokucela bangibani yona. So welcome to the podcast, man. Ukren wena?
Yeah, ngikren go Romana.
Answer Kren semotion na. Yabona yapha kumegazini yilena. Part of the family. Naqala family yapha nomasa la. So to the people who don't know you, man, can you just give us a little intro? Hlame ungibani igama lakho and where you from and what do you do, my guy?
Okay. Shona isibuselo Romana.
Sethe mic in thela ngola lapho nini.
Ke nisibuselo Romana nabanganaziyo igama ngovuyo.
Issue.
Ifani ngomhlaluka but abantu abaninzi apha estradweni banazi ngoVich.
Ovich.
Yeah, but benikena fumana igama elitsha ta movement but asikhola apho man laseskela.
Ta movement.
Laseskela.
Ta movement. Ta movement. Lifike njani ta movement nje?
Leseskela mantala inezeskela like xa ubuza i-definition yegama like sabuza nge-urban route rural urban migration. So as a questions nje yana
I see.
I'm movement
boy movement ta movement
so neza questions ngezakho ta movement
this is geography
Joe.
Like so believe this year you're doing your final year at high school, grade 12 like how's it been, dog? Like grade 12 like lately like how stressed like young in the grade Joe. When you're pressurized by my high from Monday to Sunday, nange holidays, camp, Joe. Like, what's the process and one with the school life cycle at the moment?
Yeah, Roman. All I can see now, Roman. Push 100%. Push 100%. Yeah. You have 100% jongile. Indlela esikube ngayo kweziteams zivuleyo nayibona khona ezikembu. Now umsebenzi now umsebenzi wesikole because term 1 besingo 96.96 yeah but term 2 siyasanyuka 97. Yeah, but all I can say normal because game we about grade 12 ya train but ifuna uzixelele into yi1 baw awushekile ngasimbi uyasha nawo
inyani final year dog yabona la. But I'm a sick school like but I need to see school but so to all up Woma njayam. So yongindo yakho, have you been born and bred in Woma? Yongindo yakho yenze lapha Woma kanye like unalikhaya like cause indawo like outside Woma?
Mna Roman is lapha Woma mna yongindo yalapha
lapha Woma la. Family yakho yabi yona?
Ifamily yam different ego time yasemnyameni ekamama yasicawa.
Nesicawa thina. I'm from the mom's side, nigga. I'm from the mom's side. But I'm khule phambi kwami wena nje. Bilinqala tlam ngilika. Inqala tlam lena ni. Yo after inqala dela lena kandiye kan nana khomno khalaza thi hawu uthi kwela nazange wamenzela nix yena ngoba anamnyani ke la yena mali la wena but ke ezikhula fana nqama sengidalele
Yeah.
uma ndadala la yabo but asikhola apho man it's my fam dog so cela ubuza mina nami like into yebhola like iqalile nini ibhola yamo like when did you start playing football?
Yeah, man. Qala kwami udlala ibhola I think nana 6-7 manisakhumbula. Ngidlala kwi-team ethiwa
Black Stars
apha eJerusalem icoach nguDais.
issue
Sidlalile yapho sibaninzi siba-erini sibaninzi zindwane ezingaka sibancinci dlala under 13 past chiwa apha eweleni Celtics
yeah
chiwa past ngenyawo romance dlala ngenyawo
as long as nidlala ha
sikhulu siko fine kwavuka enye team parent twa yi2 for joy game asamaleka nansaya pha
asiye 2 for joy
asafika sadlala roman nidlalile phana na promoters to first team
issue
yeah
Una ngapi when you get promoted to your first team?
14.
Yeah, so udlale first team ncinci
sidlala sibancinci pha first team pha ka2 for joy because coach base pressure ba yabo xa ungaka ufuna ube nesibindi sodlala nabantu abadala
yeah nelawe
yeah sadlala pha ku first team yakhulitha leyo nabona ba yabo dinita i-team right yabo
cause anifika pha kuwe mina ngikhalukwela la yathi uyodlala lo lapha ebaleni la uyodlala la so afike la xesha bahamba no manje kwenye team la ngeyiphi lo team and what year was it kuze ujimela team?
Yeah Roman kwakuvale isizini ngelam time okay man kudlala i-friendly EPA eWamahaya okay man thathe nje i-walk yami lebukela xa ngifika pha ndiyibona man le team ndifika kwakudlala imama ayibone pha
yeah
and khumbula idlala lo but ayibukela le team mama ndinomdla nomdla man ukuma okay mandepha coach wayo ningakamazi phofu nanisiva ngoTamboma but
Ntamboma
yeah Thungophulani mama ndombuza ba man coach ndingayenza njani ukuze ngijoine le team isajimela elenoza yini
sajimela ba
lower
yeah
athi mama ndiye ejimini ngolosibini ama ngizomphoxa mandiye pha straight fine ngifike phana ke nadlala under 15
yebo under 15 jo
ukuma okay mandlala
buna ngapi la xesha
na 15
mandlala under 15
nadlala nyanga under 15 first season yami wing
awudlala phakathi kani jo ayiwing jo
ndlala phakathi na first season yami nadlala under 15 first season yami ndadlala win ya Easter tournament under 15 safumana iskipa safumana medals safumana lekesi sadlala fine da promoter na phakuye uma mayibona man team right man the promoter dinga promoter ku under 15 but ndachinjwa ngala coach
yeah
coach Mboma ba boy you can do man this man ba ubengikhipha
ifike njani lo nonjaya
kalo phana la kwakula Easter tournament kunona
yeah
sahlala ne team twa iGhetto Stars
yeah
ating yabo anifuna ukucoka rona yabona ngikhula yo anikhonzile ya team
jo ngumnikhonzile iGhetto funa ukukhula
ya team rona anikhonzile ngenyanga ya team aki ayiphethe iGhetto sakhula rona ayiphethe iGhetto rona
anaqala iGhetto jo
ayiphethe iGhetto rona yalomthanda ukoma andlala naye ku semi final yabawula ka final ne but yenze njani ma ayixelela enye defender yamajopo yabo bastadi ball sikhaba phambili qanga
yeah
sadraw shangala mini u1-1
naye kuma penalty
ngicela coach ba uhamba okay coach ngicela wabamba penalty
njani I don't know way wacela ubamba qala
ngaziva marona ba man
zoyama nzoyibamba
ndawabawela alfan penalty lami loqala alibambe leGhetto penalty lazi loqala alibambe loqala ngiyamla ngingazithembanga rona nabantu babukeleyo bathi hey hayi ke asaqala ibona yile and asicela bantu bamamela rona senza lena ngifuna yenza and coach wami yancema naye uza refuse ba
so yena
ngiyokhipha qhubekeke but wanika
enjani la imagine lo like all of a sudden you wing athi ba man lo bahamba la
hey man album sayiwina nyani lesifana sadlulela sayo final naphaka Madrid le sayithe emachine u2-1
zawungikhipha kule match zawudla ngaphakathi yo check of all trades njo
alphakathi but yaqhubekeka ithe lo promoter ke ngidlala under 17 aqala isizini aqala ngikhipha ke first game yami kodwa asinakhipha risk asidlalise wena ke aqala phakathi ngoba
ngikhipha ke ho
aqala phakathi
so ku2 for Joy plus ne Black Stars ayinoni ba zawudlala njengaphakathi
wing
ayiwing mina
kuze zoyi2
akone nawe apha enze mess like and then umuntu wazibethe wazilo wangikhipha yo so lewe yakhe yobongikhipha iqale fully for under 17 mama ayibone la what year was that bingopho nyaka lo
nyaka ngikhumbule 2024 2023
oh noza ngopofuzos zawumncinci manje la xesha lawe zawumncinci la xesha lawe so boom under 17 abangokhipha laye
adlala under 17 league yonke
like hey like why do you like being a goalkeeper Joe like yathanda bangikhipha like you know for like
Roman nakhula ndaxelelwa la noba xa uyisoka player akufuneka ngidlala position 1
awe
yeah so nakhula ndinala ngqondo
man noba ndlala iposition
noba uthiwe ngokundindi wing thona ndidlala ikota asoze ndindirefuse mna Roman
ngizoyidlala mina
ndidlala ikota because nayo la ntoba ndizayenza lena
ayisho
izithemile Roman banzayenza lena
hey Joe so like how wazibona nini ba ayidlala ibhola Joe like ngelamaxesha na 15 mama ayibona
no nazibona ka Black Stars
Black Star man ayidlala le
ayibona pha
Joe ba ayidlala le
no ngalunga Roman
so like ever since your 2023 okudlala mama ayibona
onedlala mama ayibona
okungileno goalkeeper wabo number 1 la so like iziphi i-tournaments enisokuziwina kanye like i-cups enisokuziwina kanye anikawini lately
apha icup yamna enegqibela kuya unxiba i-medal egold agqibela under 17 upromoter kwam ka-first team yeah promoter kwam ka-first team sasijika kwi-semi-finals finals na ngoba sisuka ngokwi-Easter tournament emnyameni sijike ka-final sijike ka-final
hey mna na Joe like there were two emnqemeni bidlala none la so like goalkeeper is a position now and then we're promoted to a first team. When were you promoted to a first team?
Last of last season. Yeah. Na bebenga no keep
bebenga keep la
ngela xesha ofuneka bayothatha intwana yaka under 17
izangapha mane
khanyungu izosinceda
yabo
i-first game yam nali man of the match first game yam
keeper Joe
against Morning Stars kwathiwa ungayiki boy
bami lo hlobo
yabo lo moyo nawo qhubekana nawo boy sikufuna apha ku-first team onadlala first team first team choice nango
nangoku Joe number 1 Joe number 1 so like apha woma like yamanjani league sewoma like benibuzile on the last episode I feel like kukho like i-team ezingapha ezi-15
yeah 15 16
and ngidlala i-matches ngaphi per season
udlala 15 plus
ayi-2 ne I see plus ayi-2
yeah
okay ngibona grand la so i-LFA league ileni wafa lendlala so like now zanidlala ibhola mncinci mosiyabo qho xa kuphela isizini zakhetha isikhala squad la sasewoma like have you ever been chosen for the squad before anye zikhona ikake ezindala ezikhethwayo
uqola wami uthula ku squad ayingu under
17 injani lona represent igas lakho Joe like banjani xa usebaleni ngqomeya like ibanjani feeling ngqomeya Joe le atsho xa kuziwa ngakuni faneni
yeah man asoze ngoyiki xa kuziwa ngamandla
xa kuziwa ngamandla la
ngqongqoza nyanyani ne-defense zakho like
uyazibona yatsho ziyanqwiza yaziwa
under pressure akho nibhlungu njengoba under pressure romana so bhenikena kasodwa sinqolelana ngasodwa
ukube under pressure ke xa uzodlala team engqolo ngeziphi team omeyacho yazoyika izika kajo
to be honest man akho team noyikayo but when it comes to pressure abo i-defenders zami zayifeel pressure zayifila ngamandla that's why now matches eziningi uzongibona ndi-under pressure matches eziningi zoba under pressure because i-defenders zami zabheningi i-pressure funa ukuyamukela because now uyayifaka i-pressure man xa iza ngakuwe funa ukuyamukela but ezi zami asoze yamukela i-pressure that's why uzobona si-under pressure so consider goals is unnecessary.
Player jo ilando leya ina consider okay but like talent funa ukuthi bichinjakala la we like nina chinjakala manje maxesha la uchinje le players zakho la yenza ino la kanye ibona baye jo ibhatyazile ngokwaye lena kanye nivalela jo
ngoromana ayikho manje la we ba uthi ibambe kahle game you consider the goals eziswaka
inyani jo
level ulita ngo2-0 like in 87 minutes you consider ngegoal eswakhe e-defenders yazo ufuna ukubhola we
yabo yayigcina
uzafuna igcina kube leader ngathi but xa ithatha ibeke neteam izojonga wena goalkeeper
inyani la wena
athatha ujonga wena as goalkeeper
awubithi disappointed xa ngini libhola jo yo
nathanda yakwata nathanda qhuma mntana nanthanda consider normal
enyani that's your job to consider fanini
naxa ngaconsideranga ngahipi
clean sheet
ngahipi noma sikuthethwa ke pheklapini ba yabona thethu izinto is off mna enzoba kulandi off la clean sheet yami
and clean sheet yakho wena la noma bona basibaba skoranga pha bona awungeni kula wethu
angeni noba ndwini ngobani lo at least clean sheet
uyigcinile clean sheet yakho jo number 1 dog so goalkeeper like gogo naxa ubukela soccer like do you look up to goalkeeper kanye you just watch the whole game like at the moment I've been essaying ngobani like goalkeeper that obancanyayo la kwi PSL
normal ngathi emotion I'm a fan of
Super Chain Super
Chain good but not like no Williams
Williams
Williams number 1
number 1 Williams jo number 1 Williams and has save ipenalty la galeana la so ke xa nidlala ipenalties nina xa kufika ipenalties like uyoyika kanye
no into yami
yakho
into yami
penalty is asho wangoyike
jo man ngathi nabantu abaninzi bathi ngathi ndijima zona ipenalty
ngathi ujimela ipenalties la we
into yami penalty khona
yayibamba mna la
abasedlala i-tournament mhlawumbe idlala lo team inkulu thanazela lono
basifike ama penalty la we
asifika ama penalties akhuleke ke inhliziyo yami yazi ba chola 1 kanye 2
yo lika
into ezabakubo ke bayazingquli kanye bayascore
yabo bayascore but uzobamba wena kanye
baxele ngakapheli ingaqala imatch bayo if seka ama penalty 1 kanye 2 ezabakunge ichoice
yo lana leya
kanye.
So like how many years have you playing football right now? How many years have you been playing for Mamayibona?
Maybe 3 years, 4 years.
3 years, 4 years. After that, before you joined Mamayibona, like how joined us in your team? Oh, go join Mamayibona.
No. Oh, na hlala kuMamayibona. Oh, na ijoin.
Oh, join ato. Chima phi Mamayibona?
Chima Clareton Park.
Clareton Park. Park. Basekhona utanguza pha kanye basekho?
Unguza udlala gate unguza.
Dlala gate star ne. Kukho bani ukuthi mina like basedala onale basekhona ba?
Yeah, usekhona nale.
Nawe
sadlala naye.
Number 1 jo keepers jo like yaqhubela mina gate manje jo gate zayenza mess so like both balance ibuza na maybe nibuza abanye abantu la but guys like how's the league right now compared to like the past few leagues so ndabona like laloko labala phana ile no ile lapha ngapha ku asesporeni and kukho like in night games like how is it like compared to a Celtic? Yabo. Cause ngoku like dlala night games kukhona esibane la ejonga la engathi serious like i-league ngoku jo. Like how i-night games ngesipho match othandayo i-night games kanye i-day games.
Mina Roman athi is-day games.
Yeah.
Day games because abona i-night games. Night games yabo ziba mnandi zona night games. Yabo but i-problem yami mina ngezazibane. Once ube goalkeeper kwezazibane. Ibhola eziphezulu azikho easy zaphandla izilahla ngamandla zazibana man izilahla ngamandla seyabo ibhola ezininzi bengazithandi ba sikhathelwe phezulu yabo because yabo ezazibane zababetha goalkeeper abaninzi zazibana zababetha goalkeeper abaninzi
afanele ngane kuva nami khona msenze ukuba goalkeeper la yo mina nami cha ndikucalala kwilanga ayibhola ikhathe phansi kama yi awuzana ba yingaphi la
uthiwa ibhola selapha
yo uthiwa ejoya but I feel like so what do you like about being a goalkeeper nona incanywayo ngoba goalkeeper jo like
uba goalkeeper Roma ngumali yami man kakhulu because once wami ibhola player yakho xa kuziwa kuwe
ayaclearisha boys
xa kuziwa kuwe kufanele kube bilawe ujonga zakho bese mgcini wakho be on time if uyaphuma ungathandabuzi phuma straight
and ibamba phi back iminyonge jo like the whole game like but xa siza pha kuwe jo kaze yaqala yo
yaqala ifeel pressure
jo. So like in the future when like what do you bona uphi fet uDlebe yakho? How old are you right now?
19 years.
Now semncinci mos jo like so in the future bona uphi jo like do you ever yes bakhona trials when yakuzo kanye like you know like usezofuna kuzo ezo wena?
Man lenkena yo trial kwi bekhona i-Israel besekuzo libe namane team lapha eLenos but iyadlala nalapha kwaPefa bese kuyo nezinye i-players zami but banathatha bakho masibuye ngengomso but ngabethwa no transport angiphini kwazi lapha Roma bethu into ze-transport ba kanjalo
because khona umjida mana hlala phe Jerusalem naye ngathi udlala i-Old Grey.
Okay, nabona
yamala mjida naye la keeper la because nani feel the only way now ubaniye kweza team jo and then from ezinye team you niye go cheaper dog yabo niye because like nyani feel I feel like ngoku nina ever since azola Walmaker I feel like ingathi amajida sekasa ayibona that they can do it themselves nani lawe yabo amjida azola like nani like sanidlala against bona like yamazi like na relationship nayo mjida
no ngathi nayo relationship na but sense ukudlala naye against
Madrid la
Celtics
enzikaka jo enze mess jo
awuthetha ngonyumba
apha like episode apha ewoma ngobani ukhipha kuni like abangculeyo khona kubingithawa mna jo nopapi
Papi sekhona
papi sekhona papi Spider-Man papi
goalkeeper ngoya lapha ewoma
udlala no papi sadlala Madrid silena ngoba noma keeper qamajonga you look up to that
keeper kuko keeper bekade bedlala igeto uphaka Madrid ngithong
awe
athi ugood yena ugood yena ngathi nami ugood no keeper Cosmos Tafarin
kodwa ngimjida manje emnyama mangazayidlalela ngazayidlalela mama ibone la mjida manje umfishana umnyama
keeper usifiso
ngathi ngisifiso ayapho sifiso
ukhona usifiso
sadlala soko sifiso yabona ngilwana ejonga la ayikalo sifiso jo
mazi Roman
yo sayisemncinci fona sifiso jo
good naye Roman ngomnye good khala ngaye pha kumetimini
uvuza khala ngosifiso futhi nimbono sifiso ngatsho yabamba lemponi jo
Roman
So like hey, what makes you keep on going playing? Nginone egcina on fanele kwenza bayibone. Man. Mandlala isoccer. Like nginone what's still pushing you? No sakupusha ba man. Kubekeka na le way.
Yeah, phakuma teamini Roman the pressure la baboy. Yabo if unganiwenza la way. Ngabang number 1 apha wom. No. But yabo they need that la motivation baboy pusha.
Yabo phuma na lapha okufanele.
Ineni ifuna mina kuba ndingadlali apha woma qha. Iphuma ndiyena kwezinye indawo. Yabo kwezinye tournament ezingaphandle tournaments ngaphandle ezona good kwezinye tournaments bakho ne-scout
yabona lawe bana jo
so na bengilenuza bengafuna stick up woma qha
sure
phuma ngaphandle ndiyabonisa abanye ba I can do this
na intswem lon jo la benginabona bekuba ne-injury for you kwenzeke intoni tell us about that dog like how did you get that injury and how did you stay on the sideline? Like how long were you out on the sidelines, Joe?
Yeah, man. Apukule injury am ndayifumana echimini man.
Okay, echimini.
Ndayifumana echimini. Lawe you kabelo keeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ndayifumana pa.
Injury echimini, Joe.
Kulanda ba apakulanda shima goyo. Cause bano. Kaku yathanda khathula keeper kakumnyama.
Okay.
Keeper kakumnyama. And yakhathula bhola ngamandla so izandla zami zona zaziqinisa akhatheka la bhola kwachift ithango noma bazange ndive nalona qhubeka ngadlala but manje abakumi bona fika ngingaka
kwenzeke intoni ingalo yami jo babhlungu ke
ngiyabhlungu Roma sikubonge abu kusasa na iclean one fia pa so x-ray to achieve data ngolo safari shaloinza dala
how's cause yabona kudala ne akuthiwa khona iplayers edlala ngengwara la iteams ngengwara la ngengwara jo kuthiwa yojo la kaka sinengwara zakaka khabu ntoti la kaka la ibhola ibengathi imbiza so keep on imbiza
asayo story ngakuthiwa
so sukuyibona imbiza la
ona mkizange
sangayibona imbiza fanele acho sa story yakho siba acho Celtics jo imbiza fanele anisebenzise ngwara ke nina jo
ngwara manje okonafika mama ibona uthiwa isebenzise ngwara but
sozithethe man lo
aphandle kwalona manje aphandle kwalona but all I can say normal amafutha enjolwandle sokabathi amafutha enjolwandle
ngoni enjolwandle like
amafutha enjolwandle injala silwandle
enjolwandle sea lion yini bafumana apha amafutha enjolwandle ingwara leyo
ayafumaneka
ayenza ntoni amafutha enjolwandle yo
ndozintaka
like mhlawumbe itimini ingwara yona layo amafutha enjolwandle kazini abelieve ngezinto laye abelieve imitoti laye so number 1 mamba ibona dog like league ning number bani
sing number
4 kubani number 1
igeto
kulandela
number 2 be heroes
number 3
be cosmos basically
awe mina selincamile nalapho who do you think was taking the league
all I can say the heroes that uzayithatha league
uzayithatha ne uzozwina zonke games azo yi3
ayizazwini game zayo man
yetho ngala ikids encime guys ayi fresh dalaba fresh ghetto la yaqhabe sincimba team ukuzatshintsha probably cosmos ne heroes number 1 yokudala za emang song like the top 4 like season kudala zaba fresh team ghetto heroes cosmos mama ibone xkda number 5 Kedas Madrid mas yeah like so like are you enjoying the league and what do you think like ngeziphi izinto ozifuna achieve next season Joe?
Yeah, next season ngifuna uchima hard plan. Kule season kind of manexesha. Bama uchima hard because iskela. In part time nasichimini la we. And these colors is a problem.
Take scholar first.
Babies understand this about
scholar
scale. Sometimes punya scale. Weekends jump scale that.
Yo chima la ya.
Tandiyam ni machine that.
Yo dlala imethu nala. Akubize timina. I just want to say going since the league izophela ngom. Focus more on iskela sakho. League nizoqala mhlawumbe andazoqala nini liyoqala nini league yena xa iphela
iyavala noba pha ngoNovember kuthiwa kuzodlala 5 games phinde ivale ivula next year.
Okay. Nasubuyela yena kula 5 games. Business goal Joe. Business goal so wesawuna stress no yebhush so uyile bush yabo so uzobuyela next time on a heavy note Joe. Maybe you know did you don't funa ixela abanye abantu that are out there mhlawumbe like people don't know about you because benimbuze lamjida ustika wathi ustika yabona xa ndlala ibhola ndikhophela yonke into yami phaya ebaleni like wena do you use football as a coping mechanism mhlawumbe xa stressful mama manokhupha stress sambana okanye uyidlala nje uyithanda ibhola
ibhola ndawukhupha stress if une stress yabona sometimes naxa ne stress mna ndiyakwazi uphuma pha kum yam uzibalekile ndocela ibhola pha coach yam ndozijimela pha sometimes mhlawumbe ndivuke ngingesemodini mhlawumbe isixabene into zapha kum mhlawumbe thatha ibhek zam yam ibaleni ndifike early nangona siyazi uba mhlawumbe sidibana ngo-12 afika mna mhlawumbe ngo-11 pha ebaleni bukela ezinye imatches.
Nah, and swim below Joe. Otherwise, when I'm mental, are you good, dog? Status I'm not do grand funding. Grand. When I call like bonus solo kuposi the said. Mas bulali fundina, pa Joe. Find no cheating. And Zava funding. Grand na funding. Cause nyanto amajdawa titi la we. Yeah, boys. As kupela kwi bola, as kupela drugs abanye. Yeah, bona. And I hope I was in the drugs. Stay off that shit. All I can say is stay off is always yekile kuthi okay andenza drugs but yekile kuthi mfethu la we bo focus on iskela sakho plus ne career yakho because nisebancinci nina dog na 19 and then you can be like ngayidlala cheaper in the next 2 years or in the next 5 years Joe. Thina 26 when dala Joe. Fuck bro. Dala so I wish you best dog namo ungazi uzeke ezithanda uthetha gqayethe ba ungazinaki la focus on being you otherwise ipini ufuna isithetha ba ufuna nje ubaba isiteam zakhe anyishayi like nje campaign lo no like ipini ufuna siyazi about wena esingayaziyo la
otherwise normal according ngakho otherwise sidlalela nje ibhola mos
yebo uthanda libhola Joe
hlala indoors
yabo
ufuna incwadi zami khona ingakho malala wayo
hlala noma ekhaya angayenza umntana Joe angayenza umntana Joe but yeah mfethu like let me just keep it nice and short. We're doing sports la we apha siphethe ugoalkeeper mama ibone dog yabo one of the best goalkeepers egas yabona. One day someone dlala Chippa United, one day someone dlala Kaizer Chiefs. Dreams don't get old fit. Mapupo awagugi fanini and andiyazi but I just want to say fit I wish you well Jayam. I wish you well dog. Ngabi na injury na veri mfethu ungaboni idodi la we babambi fanisi. So two scouts as mamelele wave your man bona liponi when it comes to penalties number 1 fire on escalin and closing it the final namhlanje World Cup maybe thatha Spain kanye Argentina
yama no Messi no
Messi mfetha hamba apha son
yama no Messi ma soza Barca versus Barca otherwise but yo
ayithathu Messi jo amasifeje mina ndithi ayithathu oLamine Yamal wenothini loba difficult lawe but mina ndithi hayi sorry
loba difficult man but yo nasa Spain man yo
into ethi wa iSpain akaskora kuya le World Cup
yeah
yebo iArgentina yona xa kuskore kuye eqala usettle trap zobuya in
yeah
so le game by 0-0 apha egamini haya kuma penalty win Argentina but ke let's hope you win Spain man hayi man Messi man hayi man yo wena London yama Lamine Yamal izithatha yongini semncinci jo
azigculise yamaweza
yo
azigculise defend
make sure jo but si close lawe I just want to say ngosi nje yami na very man yabo
yeah
simnana peace out